Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, how would you like to win some free silver? Well, you can. We're going to play a game called What's in the Box. Okay, so I got this box in the mail. We'll look at the GAW here in a minute. And so I ordered something, and I'm not going to tell you where I ordered it from or what it is. You have to guess. So the contest is, what's in the box? And this is what I'm going to give you if you guess it. This is 999 silver. We'll go over it here in a minute. So what I'm going to ask you to do is guess what's in the box. And I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm not going to tell you how many it is. If it's 1 or 400, I'm not going to tell you how heavy it is. It could be really heavy or it could be really light. Not sure. But you have to guess. And the rules are you have to guess everything that's in there, what year it is, what type it is, and what kind it is. So for example, if I had two 40% JFKs in there, your answer would have to be a 1967 and a 1968 JFK 50-cent piece, $50. So that's what I mean. You have to guess every single thing that's in there, not generically, not hey, I think you have 100 of these in there. I want to know the year, and I want to know the type, and what it is. And so that's what it is. That's what I want to do. I want to play What's in the Box. It's pretty exciting. You know, I haven't even opened this box yet, so I don't know exactly what's in it yet. But I will open it up after I get done recording this video, and I myself will see what's in the box. So I hope you guys have fun with this, because I'm looking forward to seeing some of your answers and seeing what you think I might be buying right now. And let me show you what you're going to win if you do end up guessing exactly what's in the box. So let me set this aside for a moment. And this is a B-17 Flying Fortress. It's kind of rare, in the whole scope of things, but it is pure silver. It's $999. So let's take a look at the certificate here. History of Aviation. It's number 3495 of 20,000. And this has been around for a while, since 2000, so it's got a little bit of rub on itself. You know, the lettering's coming off on the pages, but you can see it's limited to 20,000 pieces. It's $999 silver, 8.5 grams. It was issued in 2000, and it's approved from Liberia, and the face value is $10. So it's a little over a quarter of an ounce of silver, and you can see it here. B-17 Flying Fortress. You can see the $10 on there. See it? It's got the B-17 plane on it. On the back side, it's got the year 2000, $10, Republic of Liberia. There's some other little sayings on there. So I'll see if I can put it under the coin cam, and we'll see what it looks like under there. But let me open it up. I'll be careful. I'm just going to touch the sides of it. I'm not going to put my fingerprints on it. I just wanted to kind of show it outside of the case. Pretty nice, huh? Again, it is a proof. So let me see if I can get my coin cam working. Okay, so here we go. I finally got it figured out. I guess I wasn't as prepared as I thought to use my coin cam, but it is back on, and she is taking a pretty nice picture there. What do you think? This thing is gorgeous, isn't it? Making me wonder why I'm using it as a giveaway. This thing is an awesome looking $10 coin. Wow. So here's the back side of it. You see it says, "The love of liberty brought us here. Republic of Liberia. 2000, $10 face value." And again, that is a proof coin. That is a mirrored finish there, folks. It's a beautiful coin. So that's what you're going to win if you can guess what's in the box. So let's go back to the main screen here. And you can see that the capsule does have, can you see some of the writing on there? That's come off of this thing. So the coin itself is in perfect condition. the capsule isn't, which is the whole point of using a capsule, right? So anyway, there we go, folks. What do you think? This would be a nice little piece for your collection, huh? Very nice. So again, only 20,000 of them. This is number 3495. And if you can guess what is in the box, you can have one of these to add to your collection. So I hope you'll play along. I'll let it run for, well, it's going to run for until somebody guesses. It could run for a long time. It could be over quick. And if it goes on for a few days, I'll make some comments on the video itself, giving a few more hints. I don't want to give any hints right now, but I will. I'll maybe even post another video if it takes too long, and see if we can do something to keep it moving. But you can see here it comes in this little package. It says gold, made in Germany, and down here in the little corner here you can see that it says made in Germany as well. So made in Germany, and for a Liberia coin. So let's go ahead and put this back into its little case and see what you guys think. Okay, so I just want to make sure that everybody knows that the first one to post the correct answer will be the winner. So as you know with YouTube, you can sort by newest first, and that gives me the ability to see who was the first one to post the answer. So it's going to go by what I say and what I see, and that'll be the final answer. I just want to make sure it's understood, just so that there's no hard feelings along the way. So the first person to post the correct answer will be the winner. Now I'm going to be doing some more of these what's in the box. I don't know that you can always count on a nice giveaway like this. This is nice. This is nice to receive the mail for free. So, but I will give something away each time I do it. So I hope you guys will have a little fun with this. I know I'm going to. And you can always email me. My email address is always underneath the video in the description. You can always email me if you have any questions or, well, of course I'm not going to answer. I'm not going to give you the answer. But you may have some questions about something, so always feel free to email me if you want to. And also my PO box is down there as well. If you ever want to send me something to review for you or give you a shout out on some stickers or something, send it along. I'll be more than happy to do that. And I'm still up for sticker trades. I still have some of my TB and Mrs. TB stickers, so if you want to do a sticker trade as well, let's do that too. Appreciate you guys watching, and remember, let's keep talking bullion.